Hey guys, this is Colin with Colin Talks Crypto. I just want to bring you a real important update in the light of the capitulation and the Bitcoin crash that we are in the middle of. I'm going to show you a bunch of factors why it looks likely Bitcoin is about to have a big dump down. First of all, we had our massive Luna capitulation back in June, bringing us down to 17,500. From that point forward, we've been making higher lows, here, 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 all the way to here, and higher highs, all the way until August 14th or 15th. From that point forward, the trend had broken down, and it reversed back to this lower support level. We no longer had the higher lows, we no longer had the higher highs. In fact, we began making lower highs, lower high, lower lows. Now, we didn't break below the low of June, but we did come close twice. The momentum has been lost from the middle of August, essentially. Now, there's one last hopeful attempt at a climb here, but it still falls short of the September 13th lower high. We didn't even retest that particular resistance. That is bearish. So we have a lower high, a lower high. I'm going to give credit to Big Cheds for spotting a double bearish divergence on the OBV, which is the volume. Basically, Bitcoin's price had been going up, volume had been going down. So he spotted this potential drop from that particular bearish divergence. Another bearish factor is we are way below the 200-day moving average. We've been below that for a while. We're also right now below the 8-day moving average, EMA. And you'll notice that we actually climbed above it starting on 25 October, all the way till 7th of November, before breaking down below it, and we are now way below the EMA 8. Another bearish factor indicating this capitulation is very significant is the volume right now. The volume is greater on this capitulation than during the June lows. That's indicative of a major local bottom, if not indicative of a bottom of the entire Bitcoin cycle over the last years. This could be the very last capitulation, essentially. Now I want to take you just play by play through what's happened over the past couple of days here. So after we reached a price peak of about 21,300, we broke down below the EMA 8. We broke down below the EMA 34. That's the green and yellow lines. Next, you'll note I labeled these three support lines, 1, 2, and 3. They're each a fairly significant level of support. Support line 3 is the June lows. You'll see that lines up exactly with the June lows. You'll notice that the first capitulative drop on 8 November wicked down to support line 3, bounced up, and finished the day at support line 1. Very, very clean moves. The next day on 9 November, we're at resistance line 1, which lines up with the majority of the base of the price action over the last 4 months. So very significant price level. And we dropped down from there. The entire day was red, a massive red candle. The largest red candle that we have seen through this entire cycle, except for in the middle of the previous capitulation over on 13 June. The price drops all the way down to 15,500 on 9 November. Now, 10 November, we see a smaller inside green candle. So it was not able to engulf the previous massive red candle of the previous day on 9 November. This is still a large candle, this green candle on 10 November, but it is not engulfing that previous candle. That is bearish. It was not able to break above the previous day's high, and it topped out at that second resistance level. Note that the candle body for November 9 and November 10 are identical at 15,850. So that's creating another support level. Currently, we are in the process of breaking down, and we started on resistance level 3, the June lows. Right now, the price is 16,880, where, again, significantly below even the EMA8, which is extremely bearish, extremely weak. Based on all of these factors, it looks extremely likely that we are not done with this capitulation, and in fact, this could just be the very first leg down of something that's going to be very nasty and very brutal. I wanted to bring this to your attention so you're able to plan accordingly. I wish you all the best of luck. Have a great day.